Alright, so I just wanted to do a short garden update. Had some rain coming in for the last couple of days, so it's kind of wet out here, which means the plants are also getting watered well. You can see the long white of Parlomo. Zucchini is doing well. This is a cucurbit people variety. Growing very large. That one seems to be about a foot long. Oops, sorry about that. Have another one down here developing. It honestly looks like it's setting fruit without pollination because this flower hasn't opened up. Either that or it makes very large female flowers. I'm believing that it's actually setting fruit though without pollination. You can see some bugs that I missed there, but the male blooms are still opening. We're doing good. Have a few plants over there. I'm gonna start cleaning up the garden tomorrow. Leelanau Sweetglo has produced its first female bloom. I'm gonna actually wait for the melons to start developing, and then I will start working on hand pollinations. Here's an adult leaf-footed bug. I like to just pluck those. There's a slightly more immature one. Crush those. This is Desert King. The vines are very healthy. They're growing very long. Still no fruit sets or female blooms in sight. But I'm definitely gonna work on pollinating this one also once I see the fruits developing, because I do have bees all around. So just waiting on that. Madhu, I still haven't noticed any large fruit sets. Vines don't look as healthy as Harumatu, but some things do better than others, right? Watermelon, I'm waiting on that one to ripen up. Sorry, I keep moving all around because I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes. No shirt on. But I have another Wondermelon right here. This one actually was getting heavy and it fell out the grow bag, but it's still on the vine. It looks about 5 pounds or so. Yeah, about 5 pounds or so. But that one still has a green tendril. I mean, no, the tendril's dry. It still has a green umbilical, so I'm waiting on that. You don't want to harvest your melons just because the tendril is brown. Over here, Harumatu is showing amazing results in this little grow bag that is growing in. I see plenty of female blooms every day. You can see one right there open up today, so I can come out every day and pollinate if I wanted to. I've pollinated once so far. I saw one that was hanging out. This one right here that the bees pollinated. So there's fruits all over. Have this large one down here. Nice large one. And then I have the others that are still growing. I need to put a insect bag under that so the insects don't eat into the bottom of it. Here's another one right here. Need to put an insect bag on this one. And there's another large one somewhere. Oops, there's another large one somewhere around here. There's a ladybug flew on me. No aphids on me, guy. You gotta search the plants, don't search me. But yeah, Harumatu is doing terrific. I've counted at least 5 large fruit sets so far. Pretty sure if I go inside the plant, I'll find plenty more. Y'all see how that leaf-footed bug just dropped down? Yeah, those things have a will to survive, I tell you that. The okra, still don't see any okra pies on there. Another female bloom that opened up maybe yesterday or a couple days ago. I mean, if I search, I'll find them. Here's another fruit set. I didn't see this one. So there's a bunch of Harumatu. I'm gonna grow this one. I'm saying it right now based on productivity that I definitely want to grow this one every year because it's early and productive, and I can plant a lot of vines in one grow bag. There's another one. So I could plant a lot of vines in one grow bag, but if it's a real sweet variety like Baker Creek says, they say it's supposed to have a sky-high Brix reading. And I believe that it would. Here's the other large one right here. I believe that it would have a sky-high Brix reading just due to these large leaves, which are way larger than Madhu. But as long as it has that high sugar level, as Baker Creek promises, another female bloom. As long as it has that high sugar level, then I'm gonna plant this every year. So we'll have a harvest coming soon, obviously. This variety seems to be as productive as Kajari. It may even be more productive. If I recall correctly, Kajari was producing upwards of 7+ melons per vine, so not bad at all. Cause when I did grow Kajari, I had about 2 vines and I harvested about 14+ Kajari melons. Well, me and the animals. So I'm gonna be sure to protect it from the animals this season. I'm gonna order my vacuum so I can start vacuuming up these what are leaf-footed bugs. They are called leaf-footed bugs. So I'm gonna order my vacuum. There's another female bloom. I mean, this thing, Harumatu, is just a high producer of female bloom. So if you want something that's gonna guarantee a fruit, I say grow Harumatu, especially considering I could grow it in that 15-gallon grow bag and get this type of result from it. And there's at least 6 or 7 large melons in there, and I didn't dig all the way around. I never walked in this little area. I still need to go in there because that's where Tohono older hound vines are growing. But so far, I haven't walked in this little area. You can see the vines. Looks like I can see a female bloom from back here, straight ahead. So wherever the vine's growing, they're definitely setting fruits. So I'm loving it, y'all. It's Harumatu for sure. It's doing better than any variety I've seen so far. The vines actually look healthier than what Kajari was. But Kajari was extremely sweet, had a Brix of 10.9, so I'm hoping Harumatu will top that. Plenty of leaf-footed bugs, definitely, but plenty of flowers on this long of polymer zucchini. The first flower, this one down here was definitely not this large before it opened up. So this one seems like it's gonna open up tomorrow because I can see the yellow tips. I can see those yellow, I can see the yellow starting to show. So it looks like it's gonna open tomorrow. I'm wondering if it does set fruit without pollination. I'm wondering if it'll be a seedless type if it sets fruit without pollination. But I have about 1, 2, have a runt right there. I'm not gonna count that one. 1, 2, 3. I have at least 4 large vines. I can see flowers developing right there. You can see flowers developing. I don't see any fruits yet. I'm actually considering harvesting this one or letting it grow a little longer because it's on Baker Creek website. They say it's supposed to reach about 15 to 8. They say it's supposed to average 15 to 18 inches. If I put my foot next to it, it's about I wear a size 9 shoe, so I'm assuming that's a 9-inch zucchini. So, but this one definitely is gonna grow larger because the plant is getting more energy as it gets older, as it gets more mature. So yeah, y'all, that's that update. Absolutely loving Harumatu. I'm gonna, when I do save seed from the pollinated fruit, I couldn't find the fruit that I actually pollinated. There's flowers all over here, so I'm working on finding the one that I pollinated, but I just don't see it. I've been looking for the, what's it called, the tendril. It has a zip tie on it. It has that brightly colored zip tie. I'm pretty sure when the fruit gets large enough to where you can't miss it, I'll probably see the zip tie, but as of now, I do not see it. But that's that, y'all. I may come out and do a pollination tomorrow because it's producing so many, and I just want to guarantee that I have seeds for this rare, unique Indian variety, which is just highly prolific. So that's that. I'll give y'all a size comparison with this melon next to my hand. So if I put my hand under it, be careful here. That's how it looks. So that's that. See y'all in the next one.